Good morning mga kabahay. Ito nga pala ang model unit namin na si Thalia Single Attached dito sa Edesha Lipa. Napakaganda po ng project na to dahil pre-selling pa lang at malapit po sa highway at sa expressway. So minimum lot area is 80 square meter in a plot area of 52. Provision for 2 bedrooms with 1 toilet and bath. Meron ka na rin carport and balcony. Available through bank financing. So ito po yung carport niya and yung kanyang likod para sa dirty kitchen. Naman po yung dress up ni Thalia. So, dining, living, kitchen area, toilet and bath, and yung 2 bedrooms niya. So, first bedroom, second bedroom, and yung access going to the balcony.